Alright, so let's talk about changing moles of a substance to particles. Now you should have your mole heart. If you're a current student, we did this on an actual heart. So please remember that for particles, we have 4 words we have to recognize: ions, molecules, atoms, and formula units. All 4 of these words are just words for a representative type of particle. Mole is always in the middle, and then we have mass over here. So for these 2 problems, in the first one we've been asked to change 352 moles of Ca to particles of Ca. Now Ca is calcium. Calcium is an element, so its representative particles will be an atom. Now, if we look at our mole heart, we are starting here. And I'm asking you to get 2 particles, which is on the right side. So you will use the conversion going from mole to particles. So Avogadro's number will go on top and 1 mole will go on bottom. So there are 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of calcium in 1 mole of calcium. That way our moles divide out. And we take out our calculator and we do 352 times, because Avogadro's number's on top. Remember, we always want to put scientific notation in parentheses on the calculator, so parentheses 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, close parentheses, enter. Now we do want to care about sig figs, so since our starting number had 3 sig figs, we go 1, 2, 3, we look to the right, the 9 makes the 1 round up, so our answer will be 2.12. The E is times 10 to the 26th power. And then the unit that is left is atoms of calcium. So we pick back up with the second question. Now this question, notice, it's still the same in mole amount, but we are now talking about moles of water, H2O, which is a compound. Now, it doesn't matter if we have moles of calcium or moles of water. We're still going from moles to particles, and we only have 1 actual conversion from that, and that's using Avogadro's number. So even though this is moles of water, we will still put Avogadro's number on top, but this time the unit will be different. The unit will be molecules of water over 1 mole of water, so that the moles of water will cross out. We multiply, and guess what? It's the same answer, because 1 mole of anything contains 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles, no matter that type of particles. So moles to particles for an element or a compound.